Welcome back everybody. So in today's video I will be showing you how to download VMware products from Broadcom website. So let's get to it. Okay, so in around November of 2023, Broadcom completed acquiring VMware as a company, and what that meant was that from then onwards, if you needed to download any VMware products, you will have to go through Broadcom website in order to do that. So in today's video, I will be walking you through the process of downloading any VMware product from Broadcom website. Okay, so to do that, there are two ways of going about this. You can directly go to broadcom.com and log in or create an account with Broadcom, or if you just search the product that you want to download directly. For example, in our case, let's say you want to download VMware Workstation. If you type VMware Workstation and come right here and open this link to download VMware Workstation and just go ahead and click here, you will actually be redirected to broadcom.com right here. Okay, so from here, what you need to do is to go ahead and register an account with Broadcom if you do not have one. Okay, so to do that, if you go right here, right on top right corner here where it says login, you can log in if you have an account with Broadcom. If you do not have an account with Broadcom, you need to register one. So you can just click here and go ahead and register your account with Broadcom. So right here you do need to enter your email address, and you can enter your personal email address, and that's what I did. I'm not going actually to go through the registration process, but just enter your email right here, and then enter the capture image here and just click next. It should not take you long to finish registering your account. And once you are done registering, what you need to do is now go ahead and log in. Okay, so just go ahead and log in to your Broadcom website. So I'm just going to do that, and I will log myself in. Okay, so I'm just going to click next right here, and I will enter my password. Okay, so once you enter your password, you will now be brought into Broadcom website. Okay, now the trouble is not how to register with Broadcom. The trouble actually is where to find the product. Okay, so once you are here in Broadcom website, and you can see right, this is the landing page, and from here it's not now very straightforward where to go, right? Because in other websites where you download products, right, let's say MySQL, if or even previously when we had VMware running on vmware.com, it was very straightforward how to download the product. So once you are here, if you want to download VMware, it's not very straightforward where to go from here, right? Because there's no download button. So if you try to go to products right here, it will bring you right here, and you will spend almost several hours to find where VMware is. And that's what happened to me, because you don't see any VMware product here, right? So you might be tempted to go here and say, let's search VMware right here, right? So if you search VMware there, you'll see these very funny links, right? You'll see all of these links, but nothing out of this is the product itself. So you'll see here, it's just telling you, explaining you, some informational things about VMware, but there's nowhere here to download, right? So if you go to products, you won't see it anywhere. And actually it's very deceiving, because if you go here where it says products, right, you will see VMware products. You click there and it will bring you here. Okay, so it brings you here, and you can go to Cloud Foundation. You will see all of these things right here, but nowhere here shows you where to download. Okay, so and then you go back to the web page here, I mean the home page. Okay, if you click back here, all right, so you went to the products, nothing there. You go to support services, you see software resources and all of these things, nothing there. Okay, how to buy, you go, so it takes you round and round and round and round, and you will easily give up trying to find out where your VMware products is. Okay, so let's go back to the home page here. Okay, we are right here. Okay, so where else do you think you can go from here? Support portal. Okay, so we have support portal here. You can type here VMware, for example. Okay, so you can type VMware, and then if you enter, nothing. Okay, so it took me almost 2 hours trying to figure out how to download VMware products, and at one point I almost gave up. And I actually went to Reddit, I went everywhere trying to figure out where to download the products, and I found a lot of people complaining that the website is very confusing. Okay, this website is very confusing. It takes you hours and hours trying to figure out where to download. Now, how do we download the VMware products? Okay, so it's actually very simple, and it is very hidden if you don't know. Okay, so to download VMware products from Broadcom, okay, so once you are logged in right here, right, okay, so you will see your profile right here in the top right corner here. Now to download VMware products, all you have to do is actually go to this section here. Okay, it's right next to your profile account right here. Okay, so if you see right here, okay, right next to your profile, you will see this icon right here. Okay, and this might be different for you. Okay, so all you have to do is just click here and you will see a menu option, and what you need to do is just go to VMware Cloud Foundation. Okay, that is if you're looking for VMware products. Okay, so just click right here where it says VMware Cloud Foundation, and once you do that, now you will be brought to this section here. Okay, so you will now see my dashboard, and this is your dashboard, showing you know, some articles and whatnot. The place where you want to go from here is here where it says my downloads. Okay, so just go to my downloads, click my downloads, and right here now you will see your VMware Cloud Foundation products, and these are the products that you can download now from your account. Okay, so again, the secret is right here. Okay, next to your profile, just click this icon right next here and go to VMware Cloud Foundation, and then just go to my downloads, and you will now be brought to your VMware products. So this is now where you can look for your VMware products and go ahead and download. Okay, so for example, if you want to download VMware Fusion, then all you have to do is just click VMware Fusion, and you will be brought to this section right here. So this might take a second to load, and now right here you will see the VMware Fusion products. So you will see 11, 12, 13, and if you want to download any of this, so then you just expand, just hit here where it says expand here, and you can choose what version of the product you want to download. Go ahead and click it, and you will now be brought over again to this section here, and you will see here if you actually, the download button is right here, but you have to do one thing before you do that. You actually have to agree to the terms. So if you don't do that, you will not be able to download. So just go ahead and click here where it says agree to the terms, and once you do that, then you will be able to download the file. So just go ahead and hit download, and it's going to start the download. Okay, so I'm not going to download this file, I'm just going to cancel it. But once it downloads, then you can just proceed from there with the installation steps. Okay, so that is just one product right there, and the steps of downloading it. And let's say you want to download VMware workstation if you're on Windows, for example, because I think that's the one that runs on Windows. So if you don't see it in the first page, just go to the second page, and here I can see VMware Workstation Pro. Okay, so I know in the previous, when this one was running in VMware website, it used to be a paid option. I think the one that was free was VMware Workstation Player. I don't know if we have that one here actually, VMware Workstation Player. I don't seem to see it, but I think this one should be able to run fine. So just go ahead and click it, because if you can download it, I think you should be able to run it. Let's say once you download it and it asks you for a license, I think there should be an option where you can say you are running it for personal use, you're not using it for business, and I think you should be able to install it without a license. Okay, so once you click that VMware Workstation Pro, then you can choose which option you want to download from here. So you do have here for Linux as well as Windows. So if you're on Windows, then you can just go ahead and select the version for the product that you want to download, and then just do the same thing, right? So you will see here, for me this one is showing the download, straight, but I think it's doing this because I had earlier checked the button here. So you do need to check the button that shows you up right here, you know, to agree to the license, so that you can go ahead and download. Okay, so just go ahead and hit the download and your product will be downloaded. Okay, so let's see which other products we can download from here. So I'm going to scroll down here. Let's see if anything sticks out. Okay, so let's see. All right, let's see this one, VMware vsphere. Okay, so you can do the same thing with that one as well. Just, you know, select the product and come right here, see which one you want to download. Just select it, take the release, and go ahead after that and agree to the license, and then you should be able to go ahead and download it. Okay, so I don't know what this vSphere does. I have never used it, but the steps are pretty straightforward. Okay, so just go ahead and you know, for example, these are the drivers. I think you should be able to download one of these. Okay, you can see right here the download button is right there. Okay, so that is how you go about downloading the products. Okay, so again, the most important thing is to find where the products are located, and to do that, just go here, right here, to this, you know, this button next to your profile. Go to VMware Cloud Foundation, and then go to your downloads, and then from there now you can go ahead and choose the product you want to download, and then just go ahead with the installation process. I'm not going to do that. I did a video previously where I went through the process of installing VMware Fusion on Mac environment. So if you want to check that video, I will put it in the description for this video, and you can check it out if you're trying to download VMware Fusion. Okay, so again, the steps are pretty straightforward. Just hit the product and then agree to the license agreement. You will see the download button. Go ahead and download it, and you should be able to install the product without any problem. Alright guys, so that's how you download VMware products from Broadcom website. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so I will see you then in the next video. Bye bye.